Haya na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro ngikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV. Ino ntafarira itu ya watho kigerini kuria ngwiraga ati wanyona kamenya ndoka twaranirie ciegi watho tuthurime imwe cia ihoto mitaratara iria tukitunganaga nayo oro muthenya riri turagitura guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Nie hingo ciothe njitikaga Wairimu wa Kimani na ta uria tugekaga oro muthenya wa muthi ndina wakiri guku studio-ini uria ngwamba ndimuhe kamweke abe agitugeithia agitwire ahana atia kamwira njokeire hari nie ngikumenyithie uhoro wegie ndereti itu ya muthenya wa umuthi. Karibu sana wakiri.
Mwiroreri. Thank you muno Wairimu ni utwita guku rigi studio tutaririe mwiroreri maundu megie watho na nigetha mundu akimenya haria agikarite.
Haya wakiri taregehe mundu takonire rita riu ringi hindwa okite guku gutucerera guku studio-ini itu tarege umire ritwa riaku na uria wekaga we kaingi andu maigua wakiri makaga kumenya wira wa wakiri uria marutaga wa oro muthenya.
Njitagwo Chege kana Dedan Chege wa Mwangi na ndi wakiri kana niwe twitaga Advocate of the High Court of Kenya.
Haya, thank you muno. Dedan, haya ndereti itu ya muthenya wa umuthi ni ndereti ya mwanya makiria amutukro tukiaririria uhoro wegie matrimonial property. Kana ru tukire na wakiri muthenya wa umuthi tondu ndirikwenda ciugo ici ciume kuri nie amutenda kwariria ndereti ino uhoro wa kiwatho na urikiru muno makiria. Hihi wakiri ututaurire matrimonial property ni kuga atia kana matrimonial property niki kuringana riu na watho wa bururi ti uria mundu tani ingeciriria.
So matrimonial property ndio ina gikuyu tungimita atia kwa wareke tukati na matrimonial property thini wa Kenya ithurimagwo ni watho witagwo the Matrimonial Property Act wa 2013 na watho ucio wokire ni undu wa mbere kwa na watho tutaga the matrimonial causes no riu after kurehe the constitution ya Kenya 2010 na ikirehe kindu gitagwo article 45 ya katiba ira yugaga andu aria me kihiko-ini mena rights kana mena rights ciganaine makiingira magithi na mbere na kihiko na in case kihiko kiu githire yo ni article 45.3 koguo Matrimonial Property Act ya 2013 yarehirwo ni kigeria riu kuigarania watho wa matrimony na watho wa katiba. Thini wa watho ucio wa Matrimonial Properties Act hena kipengele gitagwo section 6 niyo kidifainaga the matrimonial property. Kiuga matrimonial property ni indo iria cigitwo ni andu a mekihiko-ini hindi yo mekihiko-ini me hamwe kana o mundu kithiake igacoka ikongerera riri indo cia nyumba indo cia mucii kana household effects igacoka ningi ikauma hau igathie hari indo iria okorwo hena kindu kiari na mundu kioetwo kiagitwo ni mundu atanengira kihiko-ini no mwenzake kana partner wake ri nyokite aka improve kindu kiu koguo nacio gatuika ni part of the matrimonial property. Yes. Haya
na riu rigiririra mwaingira kihiko-ini kana hihi wakiri no twende kumenya hihi spouses aria me kihiko-ini mangihota atia ku differentiate matrimonial property na from their own separate properties tuge gikini giakwa gikini giaku but haha this is what we call now matrimonial property.
Gucoka thutha kidogo tutare ha definition ri ne Matrimonial Property Act no kite kongerera nginya indo iria immovable properties uta ngari iria mugite hindi yo mwikihiko-ini. Now coming back to your question ya thaicire ati niki differentiataga niki giaku na niki gitari kia mundu uyu ungi tukuroga tuthie kabengere kau kangi getagwo section 7 ya Matrimonial Properties Act na yo ri ni heanite guthiaga atia nigetha giki gituike kia matrimonial property na giki ndi kindu ya kando. Ukiingira kihiko-ine indo iria mugite okorwo wina indo ciaku wita mutumia nake muthuri ina indo ciake ni mwacemania no mwamue indo ici mustue matrimonial property na kindu gitagwo prenuptial agreement muge indo iria twaingirira cio haha kihiko-ine ni ciatuika matrimonial property kana indo cia citu as a matrimonial in the matrimony kana muge o mundu indo ciake ni ciake. So now where the law comes in rere nitoka indo ciakwa na inoka indo ciaku nitwachuka kindu kimwe thiini wa kihiko. Indo ici ni cia andu eri different. Koguo that is not part of the matrimonial property. No mwamu atiriri taru we no kana mugunda na timu wake na nire ni ndawaka na njitikiria huthira example yo for purpose of this discussion na nire ni ndaka nyomba thiini wa mugunda ucio, that property has become matrimonial property. Iyo ni njira imwe. Njira ya keriri ni twagura twi hamwe, twagura mugunda twi hamwe na wandiko marito maitu meri, that becomes matrimonial property. Kana twagura mugunda hamwe ni ndaruta kindu kinini na yo aruta kindu kiingaingi tondu kina indo nyingi gikongera, iyo nayo that has become matrimonial property. No ti ati hena raida haha kana tuge exception ti ati indo ciothe yenida tutagura o mundu kithiake matrimonial kihiko-ine ati ni ciatuika matrimonial property. No nginya wona ni ati hari kindu kiu ni ndagura you have made a contribution kana hari kindu kiu wagura I have made a contribution kana ndagwitikiria gikorwo gi matrimonial property.
Wakiri he undu ndaigwa wagweta hau hari tuge mugunda na gwaka in most cases kana family setting area kaingi ithu tukiri ukoraga ati muthuri niwe wagura mugunda na mbeca ciake, but hari gwaka niwe wathi na mbere kuonjorithia naka no mukiri o kihiko-ine na title deed tuge ni mwandiko muri inyweri nie ndina haki kuga iyo riu hau iyo ni matrimonial property.
That is matrimonial property.
I have a share hari mugunda ucio.
You have a share hari mugunda ucio.
Okay, aya wakiri kamura riu tugirite hari guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya hihi he uria different states kana mabũrũri matiganite matritaga watho uyu wa matrimonial property.
Kuringana mawatho matihuanaine taru Kenya tuhuthagira kindu gitagwo adversary legal system ya thirio gukuruhanya na common law system. Kuna andu angi nao ta Ithiramu nao makina mawatho mao. So when you're talking of matrimonial property in Kenya, no nginya tukorwo to specific, we are talking about Kenya. Todo what we do here tiguo mabũrũri ma Ithiramu mekaga kana even in other developed countries they have their own specific law governaga matrimonial property. So in Kenya we are specifically governed na the matrimonial properties act.
Na ru woko Kenya it cuts across Aithiramu na Christians polygamous marriages na ya mundu umwe.
So in Kenya it cuts across ihiko ciothe apart from ihiko cia Ithiramu. Tondu Ithiramu twiragwo tugithoma thiini wa development ya succession, the law of succession family law and succession Ithiramu mahuthagira the Sharia law. Na nikiona nginya kuna Kadhi's Court. Kadhi's Court Kenya ni kuri na magoti mangi na ni kuri na kindu gitwa Kadhi's Court. Kadhi's Court ihuthagira Islamic let me just correct myself, not Sharia law but Islamic law. Kugo Kadhi's Court wirao ni kuhandle macira ma family and succession maria megi andu othe makorwo ni Aithiramu. So for the Muslim they do not necessarily follow the Matrimonial Properties Act unless one of the parties ti Muithiramu. But okoro all the Naithiramu if they choose to go to the Kadhi's way nimekuhuthira Islamic law kuhandle maundu mao ma matrimonial property. So when you're talking of Matrimonial Properties Act nitokweheria andu rema profession ya Aithiramu.
Haya ni hari kamura tugirite hau he undu watutariria hari ni mwoka hamwe ni mwashitwa matrimonial property hihi hena ihoto like rights that govern this property now tuge uria matrimonial property ifati gukoro ikiramatwo by the two spouses. kana the common rights kuga tuke kena kigitagendio uria kena ki like mihaka ya kuokoro ugithi na mbere ku hold the matrimonial property thini wa marriage.
So matrimonial property act igiraga riria mwatigana when there is a divorce.
Not when you're in marriage.
So when you're in marriage, already you have there are no issues. You can agree this property is mine. This other property is not mine.
But property
yes. If you agree mugoda wako nago. Even according to the land if you are in a marriage union ni digiedia mugoda wakwa onore we wari tore yakwa itakwirite. There is something you call spousal consent. Spousal consent you can get that rere igitori kwedia mugoda wakwa ri uri wira tore yakwa ri regardless whether it's matrimonial or not, but if it's my own personal property. No githi kwedia ri no ginya ngoro na kindu gitagwo spousal consent. Kana githi kuya road naguo ne witagwo charging kana mortgage. No ginya nyonanie no ginya nyonanie kindu gitagwo spousal consent ati my partner ni etekira nyendie mugoda ucio koguo nioi mugoda ucio wiho nioi kira ndredie
despite ni waku
ni wakwa na nioi the repercussions ya kwedia mugoda ucio. So she has given mostly it happens to when it comes to men, my wife has given me the right to sell, or if in the case of the wife, the husband has given her the right
to sell,
or the consent, not the right but the consent to sell. Kana kororo ndokire mutu ndokire muhikani ure na kindu gitagwo affidavit ya kuria ndure muhikani nigetha registrar wa migoda etikire ku garura mugoda ucio kuma kuri we ari mundu uri ongi
igirega na mugoda ni waku jage ko consent ya kwedia.
Then the registrar of lands cannot transfer that property unless maybe you go to court, you get a court order. Very good. I'm selling this property because of ABCD koguo tutikirie tucenjie watho, of which I don't think the court will give you unless there are exceptional circumstances. The court cannot allow you to do that.
Haya, okay. Haya, wakiri he undo wakiri ha 2017 I guess January haureria todo adu age mageshiria matrimonial properties rere mwatigana kana rere mwathi through a divorce yare igayo 50-50 no gugitwika atega ni ashejio. Was it like how maditamainaga atia like ni 50-50 ya uria tokugaena na what made the decision of the court go sejia division ya 50-50?
So I'll take you through a history of I know what you're talking about. No, let me give you now the legal perspective.
Yeah, the legal one.
There is this party tumwite JOO. So the case, the Supreme Court case here 2013. It's not 2013.
Okay, sorry.
JOO. Actually, not 2023. Actually, the Supreme Court decision was rendered last year in January. It's still the landmark case now in terms of property, matrimonial property. There was a union ya mutumia na muthuri in the makitu hiki wa Kibagusi magishoka kuma baada after haure mageka hiki wa kanitha.
Okay.
Then after some time
traditional marriage alafu tu
after some time make itigana
make divorce
muthuri no athire gitia divorce etia divorce na kiheano nikyo gurugurire matrimonial property yoka after divorce ro mutu binya gathie kure high court nigetha athi high court aheo the right aheo right to property agetia 50-50 indo cia muthuri wake tondu muthuri aranto indo okay aheo nuthu igotire high court ciuga atiriri contribution yake ri dikinyite half 50 akiheo migorera bai nayo ri akiheo 30%. na harĩ mĩgũnda ĩyo hena mũgũnda warĩ mwake wina broti akĩheo 20%, because she said I have contributed 200,000 ndawire roni ya 200,000 nigetha twake tũnyũmba tũtũ. So the court literally oigire meaning ĩyo ya kĩrĩa rutĩte nĩkĩo kũheo. She went to the Court of Appeal. At the Court of Appeal ikiuga hapana, the law has now changed. Tondũ wambĩrĩirio before katiba yũkĩte ya 2010 na rĩu tena after the Matrimonial Act yokire ya 2013 igoti rĩkĩmũhe 50-50. Rĩkiuga atĩrĩrĩ, it is not about the financial contribution. Tondũ mũtiganaine, kwĩna mũndũ wĩna mbeca gũkĩra ũrĩa ũngĩ, kwĩna mũndũ wĩna mahinya ma financial power gũkĩra partner ũyũ ũngĩ, koguo ndakehinyĩrĩrio. Rĩu igoti rĩkĩrora rĩkiuga atĩrĩrĩ, as long as you have contributed and you have shown no waheana ici roni ya 200,000, koguo no wateithĩrĩirie kũgĩa na indo ici. The Court of Appeal gave her 50-50 because it was shown the contribution no kinya korwo direct ati waruta 500,000 as long as you no waruta kido na twarora there's something you call the law of equity ati hari uguo ndekire ri ni wateithĩrĩirie muno twana indo ici. So she was awarded 50%, 50-50. The husband was not satisfied
with 50-50.
Yes.
So
he went to the Court of Appeal, to the Supreme Court now.
To the Supreme now.
You know, the Supreme Court is now the apex.
Yeah.
So the Supreme Court haina maundu mengi yaroraga maundu mengi kana watho ni urogana thutha. But now of importance to this discussion yari kana ni aditavite kuheo 50-50 ogwa hiro ni Court of Appeal. Na igoti rikiuga atiriri, Constitution ya Kenya gwirire Article 45 sabbatical 3 yugaga andu aria me kihiko-ini mena right ya makĩingĩra kĩhiko me kĩhiko-ini na makiuma onokorwo ndarauga atĩ mũheo 50-50 rĩ ironia atĩrĩrĩ kwĩna kĩndũ gĩtagwo equity must follow equality. No ukirora equity rĩ ti atĩ 50-50 lakini urore andu othe makorwo gutire mundu ahitirio ni uria ungi. So in that perspective you got to chuga atiriri, even if she did not contribute undu mwe na muthuri, her contribution was enough yare nioire itemi nigetha andu aya me hamwe makorwo mena indo. So the Supreme Court ikiagiri na Court of Appeal, she was again awarded 50-50. So now that is the law in the country. So the law now it says you do not have to show that you have contributed as equally as the man or the man as equally as the woman, but as long as you can prove some contribution, either direct or indirect. Tana mauga atiriri gwatuika andu aba feminist mauga ndarara twana kugerera twana ati na ni ragia na bidi ya kana peace of mind ya guthie kuria gugithokoma. That was nullified. Hora kurera ciana karatu korwo ni oneka domestic chores nake muthuri agetha indo nigetha agure migunda ri, that is not contribution. But contribution really you have to show that you have done something towards acquiring of that property and development. Ko no ginya wana muthuri for the ladies allow me to say this. Wana your husband yaraka what about Mary?
Yeah, for real.
Yes. No, that is the law.
That is the law.
So the fact that you are the wife is a homemaker ati araikara muci muthuri agethokoma, that is not guarantee. That is not contribution. It must be you have to prove contribution and especially financial contribution. However, it does not have to be equivalent to on both partners, as long as watho wa equity ni wahuthirwo ati gutiri mundu ahinyiririo. And so the lady having Grekia, even if the lady had contributed only 200,000, she was awarded 50-50. Yes.
So the contribution wakiria iroka in terms of money, like
yes, you have to show that I took a loan, I have bought some, it has to be financial contribution.
Okay.
Yes.
Riu yaria housewives jake na tame ogwatini
not necessarily financial contribution.
Yeah.
To no korwo rere ni duka. You see, if it's a shop, ni gwikara muci, it's not contribution. But if I am actively participating in the business at Nedia Dukaini na, so that is contribution. Yes. So it doesn't have to be financial per se, but you have to show that you contributed to the acquisition and development of that property. Kwa waikare muci we ya maprotini.
Wakiriguri, how thini wake watho, how do they value tugere ni mwakinya hari divorce na runi murakida gushigaya equally between the spouses? Igoti shithori magatia matrimonial property, like ikona valuation kana valuation ya uria igokoro ikigania property no iri kihikoini. So
ordinary ruhidio mwero mweke 50-50 you have the option okoro ni nyumba mumiedie mugayane mbeca icio iko valuation mugayane mbeca icio kana okoro tuge nyumba ne mweka valuation ne value at 8 million nona for example koguo ru we wa 50% no uge we ikara nyumba you give me half of it, the money nona it's called buying off your share. So toro mwegetiganite na nyumba no nituga ne nyumba kura murikaraga it will be impractical wikara muriere nyumba yo onakoro mwaheo equivalent. So one partner says I will live in the house but I will buy you off, so I'll give you, if it's 8 million, I'll give you your 4 million whether nyumba yako kondo konge. Na
gutire watho okorogo okiramata what can be sold and what cannot be sold kwa matrimonial property. Todure yoko murari na ciana na ni mwatigirwo nyumba tuge nikigitangia dio hari thini wa matrimonial property.
So when the law says 50%, that means 50% you decide how you're going to take care of that. But in most cases, if there are children involved, na share is still 18 years, they are dependent on the parents. So the court can make a determination that if custody, you know, there are two issues involved. Kuna wadho wa shiana na wadho wa property, you know, nimwekarege divorce na matrimonial property ni yako. Kwa hiyo shiana stiageriro kwero igotiria family rite kudina mohoro wa shiana. So what happens mwerago muthie igotiria shiana if what igotiria shiana mugere mwana wako ne less than 18 years matigika tuore. So the court will make a determination based on those factors. Kwa na mwero mukara na shiana mudhuri nake most of the times the person who has been given custody, if it's the husband who has been given custody, mekare ku within a matrimonial home, the wife is bought off. For example, if the wife got married somewhere else, if the wife is still is the one who has custody of the children, then the husband can be bought off. But in all those issues, the Constitution Article 53, in any issue where children are involved, the interest of the child must be paramount. Interest here, the children. But we cannot confuse those issues because family but again more the mayhem, so the court will have to look at all those factors.
Okay. Yes. He modo maige aria andu maragithii na mbere makirogia tuge ni moka ni business investment how tukoragire kana ni biashara tuge twambiririe turi hamwe uria igoti riukaga reka division of the property in terms of business investment.
Also kwa hadakwera you have to show to prove contribution. Yes.
That's it.
Contribution is the key factor here.
Aya, turamba guthi kaida gwikiriro hanini tugathi haraya ni turagicokereria.
Zenawi Real Estate icenjetie miturire ya akenya aingi gukinyaniria iroto ciao. Na riu turakurehera Juja Gardens Phase 6 na iria iri mwena wa Juja tugakwenderia muigana wa ciringi 850. Migunda ino iri na ready title deed. Kiria urabatara no kuriha gicunje kia 30 hari 100 hari eka imwe ukegira na bloti. Ririkana migunda ino iri na mai, thitima na barabara njega. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria tucerere mwena wa Royal Gitwamba Plaza, second floor, kana utuhurire thimu namba nio 0794880000. Namba ya thimu ni 0774948888. Kifugu. Pata title uitwe bosi.
Wigwatere set 102W GPS tracker omothe kuma Scepter Empire na ukenerere tracking ya kuria gari yaku ndithikana itigarire mahinda-ini mothe kumenya kuria igereire gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 kuhoria engine yaku uri handu-ini hothe kugerera application yao hamwe na kumenyereria gari yaku yakio kana yahorio na marihi ma ciringi 4,500 tu ukareherwo setting ngima. GPS tracker ino ni iraigira gari mithemba-ini yothe matinga undu umwe na nduthi iria ingikorwo ikihuthira petrol ona kana thitima na no umihuthire kugerera rurenda kana application iria ungigwatira thimu-ini yaku ya Android kana iOS. Kimetie kugerera rurenda-ini rwao ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria kana umahurire thimu kugerera namba ciao nicio 0706867677 na umiamukire hatari marihi kugerera G4S ucoke uheo mutaramu uria wi hakuhi nawe agwikirire na marihi ma ciringi 1,000. Scepter Empire, the most reliable vehicle tracking company in Kenya.
Twagicokereria tabarira-ini ino itu ya watho kigeri-ini ririkana ndereti ya umuthi turaririria uhoro wigi matrimonial property kana ihoto iria ikoragwo ikiramata matrimonial property na makiria ni wakigwa ati ndereti ino ya matrimonial property kaingi yukaga riri spouses magitigana kana hindi gwakigia na divorce amuriria mugikaranitie indo icio cikiri oro cianyu wakiri ha undu ngwenda kumenya he todo matrimonial property twakiuga ni iroka makiria when there is a divorce tiguo hare thini wa marriage tuge hare iheo mukoragwo mukiheo ni aciari a family tuge family and friends na riu mwakinya handu tugo na kihiko gitina maybe yathi ta miaka iri kuri andu nginya ma divorce in days.
Sure.
No wakora nginya iheo some of these gifts they are still new no mwasi anire through your marriage. Ado maroria who takes the gifts home like no gotigwa na kiheo kiria kana some spouses ginya ni magiftaga each other wakora wani giftire gari hedi ya birthday giko gift kamugoda hedi ya birthday na riu ntwakinya hadu ntwatia divorce thini wa gift isi iko gayanio tia hare matrimonial property
so thini wa a gift especially things like tagari it has ownership ko gari on a logbook ko ina mwene so now the issue would be
no gift nenda kwairia gari
the issue would be does it amount to kana kiro ya koro matrimonial property now tugocoka hare hard definition what is matrimonial property matrimonial ne mushire either ne idure mugite mwe hamwe either ne mushie wanyu kana ne ido mugite mwe hamwe thini wa kehiko so if you have been now akora family itu ne ya turehere ido thini wa muthenya ucio ohikire na your family ne ya turehere ido muthenya ucio ohikire that if that property has nyakinya gikiro ya ukorwo matrimonial property doesn't matter no arehe that property becomes it has to be shared
equally.
50-50. It doesn't matter kana the family to yarehe kana family yanyu yarehe. That property has gained to the level ya matrimonial property, unless it is in my name. If it is in my name, if it's akone ne gari ina rito yakwa, akone mugunda wina rito yakwa, na mugunda wina rito yaku, and you have not done anything kona ni ati mugunda yo no contribute, then that doesn't amount to matrimonial property. So again, I'll go back to the test is contribution. Whether you have the other partner has contributed towards acquisition of this property. But if it was a gift to me, then that property is mine. If it was a gift to you, but if it is in our name, then that is ours.
Heck, most of the times ne kumiraga conflict tondu gutiri mundu wendaga kindu araunaga 100 rugitwikene gyathie 50-50. According to now the law kana igoti kana nywe mawakiri, how do you deal with these conflicts niguo mutigire ate mutina the two spouses like ni maikara in peace gutiri digo gukirira nie digatuma andu moke magerie akwaya indo kuma kure, like you do it fairly, like nejira ire ko muhothiraga ku solve eno conflict niguo mutigire ate o mundu neiganira na 50-50 tondu ti andu ingi metikiraga kindu giake kigayo tuge 50-50.
So kwena katiba ino yako ya 2023 nyarehire kindu gitagwo, we call it Article 259. The test at Article 259 yugaga ti macira mothe magiro guciro igoti-ini. Koguo aikorwo igoti ndirona macira toyo jura involve family members, kana no itoro kindu gitagwo ADR. ADR means alternative dispute resolution. Koguo ni muthia igoti-ini legina macira ma divorce akorwo very contested, mukero mwike mediation. Kwina andu makorwo mapoitwo na igoti na marehagwo ni magoti metagwo court annexed mediators. Ro mukatoro kare mediator, mundu ni neutral, ro ti igoti koguo ni neutral, mugaikara thi mukorania indo ici ni cianyu mwina ciana hamwe, koguo rora impact ya cira uyu tondu macira maya ma divorce makome macira makorwo me very contested, especially when it comes to matrimonial property. It takes a toll. Mundu mwikete nake for 18 years, for 10 years, no that is mutirora mirura. Yeah, so now the court advises that you go through mediation. So through mediation muko decide like joy kina, like joy brought ya kamuru or brought ya roiro, then mo agree mwathigoti-ini make order
that brings in the question ya no agweta tugehena miaka 10 miaka hihi length ya uria muikarite kihiko-ini ne determinaga impact ya division ya matrimonial property. Tuge nie tuikaranitie miaka 50 na ithu turatigana after maybe a month or two, hihi hena impact uria tuge indo ici gukoro ikigaya kana
the law is the law. As long as the court is good Matrimonial Property Act igiaga effect after divorce. Todo once you get a divorce, there's something called a decree nisi. You need mkero mwatikana no after mweri umwe igwana ko mwaheo mweri umwe muthu mwecirie kana ne mugusokano ru mweri mwathira ri gathukira igoti ru ndona mweri no athira na ucokanitwo koguo kaheo kindu gitagwo decree absolute ru hau ni ho ru muthiaga ru thini wa high court ru mukatwara ru indo cianyu kuga ru now I've come to the high court igotire magistrate nyatuhire divorce ni weno ru indo nicio ici turenda kugayana. So now the high court comes in through Matrimonial Properties Act.
Nunamnya wakiri he andu maratira he ona thini tugena muri thini wa marriage he andu makoragwo na tuindo kana athuri tuge tondu affectaga athuri agathie akagura kamugoda na hau kamuru na dana kwira na ndonamenya agathie agakabroti tuge kana mutumia tondu right now atumia ni makoretwo more empowered, ugakora mutumia ni athie ne akira handu na aja ku involve anywhere in case in case marriage ya fail hara ni gona handu ha guthi guikara. Now ni makinya proceedings ya ku divorce ke na ke in the middle mumekinyekane hena property mudo akire nacio na nige togro muthuri akiuga mbia ici ciaumire kuri nie because maybe the lady was not working asevaga na mbia iria araheo ni muthuri. Properties iria ikireja na hau no ihana iria kihiko-ini igayanagio atia?
So now the key factor here ni riri no nginya indo cio mugithie igoti-ini ri no nginya cikorwo ciho. So korwo hena kindu toikaine na ru kiu gitioikaine kirakiuma korwo gitioikaine gitiriho.
Okay.
Yeah, so that will be
so
the
what
catch.
is divided ni kire igoti riwe mwina kio kira mware.
You have to bring you have to bring a schedule of what is being
have.
exactly what you have. So this is what my husband has
and
this is what I have. This is what is on the table.
Yeah, okay. Haya he udungi wa kiri ni gukoragwo na mathire tuge couples ni mokaga hamwe makauga ni tukuoya karoni, we do something with it, but in the middle ona matarehete matabitie kuriha roni ruria ugakora ni mathi under divorce. Now who pays the debts? No rehaga thiri ucio.
So again, when you're talking of matrimonial property, to get the more of 50%. But that you'll tell the court, yes, we have been awarded 50%, 50-50. No, there are these liabilities. According to 50%, one of the property to if it was jointly acquired. No kono need o irede dewi kare rudi no wakwa.
Yo kono jointly na mware na third party tugenta kiama.
So if it's jointly, jointly, we went to the bank to hamwe. Tukiwa mgura tugetu na brought to dagwaka. So we went to the bank tukiwa loan to hamwe. Na we would have been enjoying that property together. So now that we have divorced, unless we have a way of service that
loan,
which be impractical, practically impossible. So you might decide also we share that liability. But if na kukado kana wokiwa na kukado the other part atareho, then that becomes your responsibility. Yes.
Haya kaige turakora ati ginya ndore mwe ni mara divorce ginya makinyetia miaka ta 10 gifao.
Sure.
Nora urakora tuge muthuri kana mutumia he mundu urari almost ko enjoy pension kana besha cia retirement na twatigana ni he kindu ni ta mutumia kana ni ta muthuri am I no acquire your retirement, a portion of it kana pension todo nenda ikarire na yo githira.
That is not I said you have to prove contribution. So how do you contribute
to your retirement and pension?
How do you contribute to my pension? I was working
for you while going to work. Na gewa support gekuhe mental ogetuka comfort to kara wakwa now you're working wakora nona modo haujantwa divorce na wenda kwabiria kwa retirement, but I was there.
Unfortunately, that is not part of matrimonial property.
Nothing.
Yes.
Nishia kuweika.
That does not amount to matrimonial property.
No, idea gukuhe.
No, idea gukuhe gift.
Okay. Haya, ehoro wege thiko jitrona indo iria turakwaya kaingi na kaingi or everything hena tax implications kana ke hi then wa division ya isi property tukire nayo he hadu ha affectaga hari taxing ya indo ici tunacio. No,
unless maybe property muge ore gukwiraga you have this matrimonial home, I have been awarded 50%, but my partner no right karam they know nyumba, so she buys me off, or you decide let's sell this property na ne brought to you brought tukana besa issue. So now the taxing would come in hedio muragayana murendia they are this called capital gains tax, maybe rental income tax, such issues, but they know matrimonial property there is no tax, the taxman does not get involved.
Okay.
Yes, unless now there are other factors like selling or leasing, then that's why now you look at any other related tax implications.
Haya, he uhoro tugeta wa insurance, shokaga tuge muko ya insurance ya health as a family kana murenywere igakurike mukava benefits ya insurance after divorce, does it continue serving the two of you, the two parties?
No, again that will depend na terms ya agreement ya mwekire mukio ya policy yo. Because that again does not amount to matrimonial property. So what will govern what happens after the divorce is the clauses the specific clauses ya agreement here. If the agreement says upon separation everybody takes their share, that is what will govern that kind of sharing. No, matrimonial the Matrimonial Property Act would not get involved because again there's something we call prenuptial agreements. Prenuptial agreements not to correct the way in case we have to separate, there's an agreement near dikoya tutikagara 50-50 we koya 30% na nijoe 20%. So if there's such an agreement, even if in the event of a divorce, again the Matrimonial Property Act will not get involved. We will follow the agreement that we made, the prenuptial, unless but the only way the court can intervene rege na coercion, rege agreement yo igirwo through coercion kana undue coercion ne hena mundu wa komesa yoge kana undue influence hakoro hena mundu wa na uhoti makiria rege wakiriari wake akiheneria yoge. So if you can show that you are undue influenced kana maybe there was a mistake, so you see factors see contract. If those factors were not present, the court cannot interfere with such an agreement.
Kaigina kaige ihiko kana marriages niguo mugera divorce ne maudo different things ma affect kihiko. Hihi fault ya divorce kana reasons behind tuge nigo kureginya gender based violence ke ugakora ate muki divorce, it's not that good. One party tuge ni kwale na violence na kaumiza mwingine, then wako gaya na idosho gotri hado fault ego changia hare benefiting mwenye ameumia.
That is not that would not be a factor.
It can't.
Again,
after gender based violence.
Gender based violence, adultery, cruelty, together with the divorce, there are 4 grounds of divorce in the country. Around 5. First is adultery, cruelty, cruelty near Quran, and then we have separation. And the marriage has irretrievably broken down. So whoever contributed to that marriage, to that divorce happening, whoever instituted the divorce, whoever filed for the divorce, whoever did not even contest, you have filed for a divorce, one partner has kept quiet, the divorce ni aheano. Then kuna ogenake apigana, that does not affect the matrimonial
division of the matrimonial property.
Yes.
At all.
I'll give you an example. I've been in court one time. So the wife files for divorce. Then the husband, there's something called a cross petition. So the wife says, I want to divorce this man because he has cheated on me. He has been adulterous. He's been cruel to me. Then the husband on the other side says, no, I'm not the one who was adulterous. She was the one who was adulterous. So the court told the advocates, it doesn't matter who.
No,
there are no CCTVs here. See, they would have divorce. Let's give them a divorce. So it doesn't matter who. Yes. So what the law in Kenya does not allow, in America that's what you do. You can file divorce papers. In Kenya there is no, it's called a no fault divorce. In Kenya the law doesn't allow that. You have to go to court and prove to the court that this marriage has irretrievably broken down. Twareti na arugamiriri, aciari, kanitha, muhirega na adosu yo the maremeto to iguithania. Koguo tutigiguana. The court, that is the only instance the court will give you a divorce. Na ruwate we rugani we no achi treating dachi.
Yani fault ya divorce.
Yes, as long as
hadora hutane na division ya matrimonial property.
Matrimonial property.
Okay, the question is turana kaige no dio Ogikuyu ginya andu ni marona kwina polygamous marriage. Ugakora muthuri ni athie thutha ona mekihiko-ini kana mathite gukihiko-ini akagea na mutumia ungi akamurehe mucii tuge mutumia karakara sasa in this polygamous marriage matrimonial property egokira between the three of them kana
no. So what the law says if for example a man gets married to the first wife they acquire property together
na mutumia kwa bere.
Yes, so they have matrimonial property as a couple.
Yeah.
Then at some point the man remarries. Mutumia wa hikiore.
Yakere.
Ruko ishi idishi akorare tishiyake. See the idishi ya mutumia wa bere. So it is matrimonial property ya muthuri na mutumia wa bere. So when she comes in whatever now they will get, that is what now becomes, that's what she gets a share of. Not the share bere. Ruo kone magora ruo broti gire. Ruo ne okoro ruwe ena share yake ta mutumia wake re na share wa bere mutumia wa nake ena share yake. But whatever was owned by mutumia na mudhuri wake before unless kure gwire through contribution kana through no message ko develop hena mugoda wareho mutumia like to develop. So if she can prove that I have developed the initial properties, then she gets a share of the matrimonial property. But as per the law, whatever was owned by the first wife becomes matrimonial property between the husband and the first wife.
And the first wife.
Wakerere okegena matrimonial property.
Shiake. Okay. Haya, na he horo wa tuge property, tuge inheritance. Tuge wewe ta muthuri kana ndi ta muiretu muciari wakwa ni adigire kamugoda na ke inheritance na koro part ya matrimonial property.
So again we'll go back to what I told you. Tukigira thini wa kiriari wa union re hena idio ciandikitwo kama wa Njoroge hena ciandikitwo Njeri wa Maina. So when you come in, you may decide, let's pull all these properties together, they become matrimonial property. Kana reke mundu ikire na indo ciake. So if you do not agree that this property becomes matrimonial property, yeah, maybe by kwanza nyumba yaku kwa muthuri ucio inheritance yake re niko muraikara. So automatically that becomes your home. So it becomes matrimonial home.
Okay.
But if she na Korea jare that does not form part of the matrimonial
property.
Again, unless you can prove that there's contribution
in that
towards the development of that property.
Tuge there are cases where one spouse tuge ni ahuruka murio kihiko-ini tuge nukoraga ni kwagia githigithanio kuma family cia naja, there are people who want to come moe property ya mukiri nacio na tuge muthuri akihuruka kana atanahuruka, there was no will akiuge indo ici igakoshi ciakwa ici ni cito ici gathi we family kana sister cia gwitu. So hari spouse uria watigo how agitagirwo atia ni watho to ensure that the property iria mari nacio mari hamwe despite umwe gukorwo ni ahuruka bado niwe watigwo enacio rungu rwake kana iria we wagithie ciare ciaku no tware kihiko-ini na who takes that ni family yanyu kana tondu andu ni mastomaga mici ukaigua and some end up with nothing. Muthuri ari naido
no gacoka kwa ido mutumia gatigwa
karikido.
So now what happens?
No, ni matrimonial property.
No, so that's why I was now going.
Okay.
That is not that. Now we bring in another law.
Okay.
Called the law of succession.
Okay.
So the law of succession is the one that governs who gets what. So the law of succession says matrimony, the household goods sithiaga kore mushi kore mutumia no the household goods sigutigo kore
after death.
But now if there was a will no I call hena will will muthuri no kwandikita will akauga ore indo ciko yao nyumba yaku na ndahengania mugoda yaku na ndahengania if mawatho maria mekretwo thiini wa watho wa succession wakonania ati will yo ni njegari then igoti ritingingirira kana watho ndungingirira gucenjia will ya mundu kana meririe ma mundu riari moyo uria angenda uhoro wake uhanike riria akua unless but you can contest a will ikorwo rigi ti fair kana ikorwo rigi mitarare kitono wathore ukorwo ni witnesses no nyako na witnesses ukorwo hena witness waheo kindu hari wiri uyo na ke witness ukorwo hena witness agi ere makomu witness uhoro ucio there are those requirements maybe not muthenya mwe tukai uhoro wa succession so it's a whole different but what I was just trying to, what I wanted to tell you is succession, the law of succession okoro hatia na wiru re we do something called intestate succession na intestate succession you gare re no ina right ya kuona no ina right ya weka succession mundu wa mbere ni kwa muthuru wakwe mutumia ko ndarenda ciana cross-trader my brothers it's called the degree of consanguinity ora mukuhaniriirie mundu wa mbere ni mutumia waku wa kere ni ciana ciaku kuma hau gathiru the brothers the sisters the fathers your father after your father then your father your mother then your sisters then kuma hau maybe uncle's cousin ora murathi murihaniriirie no we call it the priority in terms of levels of consanguinity kugoru and kudagithi kwa indo cia muthuri ciana ciake ciho so kana mutumia yake ho you have to go through that degree na kwina watho witagwo intermeddling magithi moe okorwo ta ngari moe rigi brother uge iro ngari ya brother yakwa ndoya no twari igoti-ini na tagwo na kindu gitagwo intermeddling so the law has to be followed together no maheido lakini through consent ya mutumia na ciana okorwo ciana stire horu niguo gukira the fathers but it has to go through that degree of consanguinity ndogiuma na ku uroge uyu kau ona ciana stingiro kama muao ciana stingiro kama muao no ina right as long as you can prove marriage you have a right over the children okorwo hena the children here is both male and female
male and female
both male and female nenya trimugati ciana
ndongonete andu magituma ndumiriri ngure kana airetu haiku ni magayaga kuma kuri aciari
the law as it stands the law as it stands ciana ciothe ciana right yakaya nikio risho na mugithi wika succession airetu ngi mundu yakoni ahikete kurukira indo kaona ndegutira kiana kamugoda kaika kamweka hafu wao no nginya ukigoti-ini orio baba mukadika sifunya wandika mano kuga muthuri onde moe oitoro yakwa aina atumia ere ciana 10 na nicio ici acio ndothe no nginya moke igoti-ini muthenya wa kindu gitagwo confirmation of grant kana grant yo ya heano confirm mundu aheo kiria heo makorio we no gitagwo Wanjiru no wetikira ati ndukwenda kindu ndikwenda kindu
okay
no nginya ugetiriri nderirwo ati mutiheago ori na igoti no wende kuheo no nyende sokai mukayana ringi
but ndona succession is a whole
yes it's a whole topic
on its own haya tukirekereria wakiri haundo ndrona andu maragithi na mbere makiuria athini haria turi andu ni mathi maigirite muno na social medias ugakora kana ni mara na social media tuge YouTube through their blogs kena keto try to advance it na andu nginya ni maraigira kihiko mari oro anini you see so ugakora mwina let me give an example ta hena page ya YouTube wakora kuna the Wa Jesus family na ni yao they are earning through this channel ya YouTube hihi ria mungigatigana one no gatigwo na YouTube channel ino tondu tuge no makende thi na mbere hihi ni gucenjia mugacenjia ritwa kana the earnings iria muoyaga hari channel ino muri iru inywe ere hihi mukagayana atia na ni YouTube channel mutigege kaja na nuthu
so if again I'll go back to
mweke iko ni
okoro ne ginyu gikiro ya okoro matrimonial property because mugithoreka YouTube channel tayore I'm certain there kuna agreement munayo yeah between inyo muriere we are partners so this is what happens rege okorone twatigana this not where negathi na mbere na kumanage ni management ikatugaira besha kuringana oria that it will not automatically fall under matrimonial property. No ginya ikinyire ikirore twambirie tukiambiriria cia ati kindu gikire nigia twakoya turire hamwe na nigiatuika matrimonial property. But if it is ni kado ne biashara situ cia kado kana ne tugeta especially the YouTube it will not become automatically matrimonial property unless we intend it to become matrimonial. Otherwise it will be governed by watho ria tufangite wa
kigo kia mwisho wa kiri hari kamera yaku niguo tuhinge ndereti ya muthenya wa umuthi.
Ngucokerie ngatho nä kå ndä host na cokerie mwäroreri ngatho nä gå twärorera na tuge atiriri kwiragwo andå aitå moraga nä kwaga ũmenyo andå nä mathiä methema wakiri maheo ũmenyo.
Haya, hau niho tuko tugitirihira ndereti itu ya muthenya wa umuthi tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno itu ya watho kĩgĩrĩ-inĩ na muthenya ũcio ũngĩ nĩ ngũgatwarĩria ũhoro wa succession tondũ ndaigua nginya airĩtu no megae tuge twĩna tũindo harĩa mũciĩ na twĩna andũ ingĩenda mamenye atĩ ona ni no ngae kuma kwĩ aciari akwa. Anyway, hau niho ngũtirihĩra ndereti ya muthenya wa umuthi. Niĩ hingo ciothe njĩtĩkaga Wairimũ wa Kĩmani nginya tũgagĩcemania muthenya ũngĩ. Bye bye.